Hi Home with the weekend video on Saturday the 18th of December. No real change on Bitcoin. I mean, this looks eminently corrective, suggesting we're going to go up at some point. This looks obviously impulsive, but it hasn't got 5 waves. That is a 1, and that's a 2. And this could be, 1, 2 to there. Then a possible 1, but again, no former to confirm that. There's a 2 gone below the 1. It's just a mess. I mean, it really is. I mean, this does look corrective, suggesting we should be going up again, but it could be an A, B, C move. But at least it will be something. I think that's probably the best count, a sort of an impulsive rally to complete an ABC. But it's all a bit meandering, and I guess anything could happen. We are, of course, in December, near the year end. December's meant to be a good month, but no sign of that. It is what it is, and it's becoming fairly meaningless, really. But an A, B, C type count does seem to be the favourite for now. Something like this: A, B, C. This was around 10,000 points, so 10,000 points takes around 55,000 thereabouts. Now, of course, this may look really well. I mean, if this is a C wave, if we actually see this thing, it will look impulsive because C waves are impulsive. But that will give us hope it may continue, I suppose. But I would start to be concerned at any such rally around the 55,000 level, and we can monitor it there again. Having said that, I wouldn't be surprised if it just go down again. It's all so meandering. It's just not clear at all, really. Ethereum remains more positive. I mean, we call this a 1, although it doesn't. There's no 5 waves to count. And this as a 2. This could be a 1, 2, and off we go. But I say there's no real justification for that count. It's just it ties in with the Bitcoin count in the sense we do a rally. But there's little justification for seeing a impulsive rally. But on the other hand, it's just a pretty messy pattern really overall. I guess the positives here are that this is actually an ABC, pretty clear ABC. This is a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, quite a big 4. This is just messed up by the spike really, but I mean obviously it's a fairly impulsive move overall. That's pretty impulsive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is that, of course, and this is corrective. So yeah, it's just a potpourri really of different suggestions. Right, well, gold, again, no real change. I mean, it could be a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, or a messy triangle, but nevertheless it's possible. We've got a bit of spike here, but not enough to go on it yet. But again, we want. Well, if this is a triangle, then we should be quite close to the end of it. If we're already there, then we should see that from the action in the next few days, I would think. But that remains to be seen, of course. Again, no change on silver. We've got the 5 waves up from the low we saw in 2020 around March, up to there, A, B, C. So we saw a potential low of this pattern in October, on the 4th, I think, 30 September. We've got 5 waves up, but there's a bit of a messy 5, and it's got a rather impulsive decline, which raises a few questions. In fact, it's even a 5-wave decline. So there are positives, but again, we need more confirmation whether this actually is the key low. We found support at the 50% level, which is, well, near the 50% level, which is something, I guess. But this does raise a few question marks. It could be an A, B, C of sorts. That doesn't really fit the pattern actually. But anyway, we're looking for some confirmation that there is a low in on all these markets really at the moment. No change on FTSE. A, B, C, A, B, C perhaps for a B wave. And this could be a C wave decline coming in. That is open to alteration, I should say, or amendment. But that seems to be the favourite count, my favourite count for now. Right, the DAX, clear 5 waves down, A, B, C. But this is all a bit, well, difficult to interpret. We've got ABC here, for example, which doesn't really fit anywhere. I mean, it's now the 18th of December, I think. So Christmas is just 1 week away. So we've got all holidays, not that many trading sessions to come before the new year. So I rather suspect not much will happen until the new year. Maybe things will be a bit clearer at that point. But for now, we've got this argues for a very strong decline, at least the same again. And this is a pretty strong decline to start with. But this is all getting a bit murky here, so I'm not quite sure what's happening at the moment. Ditto, 5 waves down, A, B, C, but we now see a new high, so that does raise a few question marks. Could even be a 1, just an A, B, C, I didn't discuss that before. I think it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to there, for 1 wave, 2 wave, 3 wave, 4 wave, 5 wave, A, B, C, irregular A, B, C of course, no sign of a low at this point. So I think I'll leave it as it is for the time being, but it could perhaps be this is a 5, and this may be a correction, but again we're in the Christmas period, so maybe not much more will happen for a couple of weeks. And the Nasdaq's even less clear. I mean, we've got an ABC to there. There could be an A, ABC, B, and you've got a new high, A, B, C, B to there perhaps, and now a C wave decline coming. That's probably the best counter. I think I'll just change that on the chart. Given the variety of patterns on these equity markets, I can't say I have a huge amount of faith in this, but A, B, C does fit the pattern right now with a continued decline to complete the C wave, which would be about 500 points lower, maybe less than that, so about 15,000 odd. I'll do that more exactly next time. If that count is confirmed, it may not be, because we're seeing fairly muddled action right now, to say the least. Well, on that note, I'll call it a day. Have a great weekend. Next report on Tuesday, probably the last one before Christmas, obviously. And speak to you again soon. Bye for now.